Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Check your Windows version and free space so the update won't fail. Once done, plug into AC power and back up essential files to an external drive or cloud. Don't skip that step. Make sure you have at least 10 GB free disk space and a stable network. Now open Settings, go to Update and Security, and click Check for updates. This initiates the download and prepares your PC for the next steps. You'll see updates listed. Click Download and watch the progress percent and estimated time. While files download, close heavy apps to speed up installation. Once files are ready, choose Restart Now or schedule the restart for a convenient time. If the update is large or stuck, use the Windows Update Assistant or Media Creation tool to force an upgrade. Make sure to keep the device plugged in and connected. This reduces risk of corruption during installation and helps complete feature updates cleanly. Once the system restarts, confirm updates applied in Settings and check system stability. Test key apps. If you encounter errors, run the Windows Update Troubleshooter and clear temporary update files with disk cleanup. This often resolves download and install failures. For driver conflicts, use Device Manager to roll back drivers. If a feature update breaks functionality, you can uninstall the recent feature update via Settings Recovery within the allowed rollback window. Finally, keep regular.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.